Welcome to my travel journey. Today, we explore one of Belgium's most historic and breathtaking towns along the Meuse River. Located along the Meuse River in southern Belgium, this historic town became one of the most strategically important settlements in the region, with its position between steep cliffs and the river naturally transforming it into a fortified center throughout the Middle Ages. Its dramatic geography played a decisive role in shaping local history, as the narrow valley and surrounding cliffs provided both natural protection and strategic military advantages during centuries of conflict. For generations, merchants, soldiers, pilgrims, and rulers passed through this narrow corridor of the Meuse, turning the town into a crossroads of European history. This historic riverside city is internationally known as the birthplace of Adolphe Sax, whose invention of the saxophone would later influence military bands, jazz music, and modern musical culture around the world. The Collegiate Church of Notre Dame, built beneath towering rock formations, stands as one of the most recognizable landmarks in the region and reflects the close relationship between religion, architecture, and political authority in medieval Europe. Religious influence, military strategy, and commercial ambition all converged in this narrow valley, giving the town an importance far greater than its size. The colorful saxophones displayed along the bridge pay tribute to Adolphe Sax, the inventor born here whose creation transformed music across the world. The bridge is named after Charles de Gaulle, who fought and was wounded near the town during the First World War, long before becoming the leader of Free France and President of France. The Battle of Dinant in August 1914 became one of the defining early clashes of the First World War, involving French and German forces fighting for control of the Meuse crossings. The fighting around the Meuse River during the First World War brought future leaders such as Charles de Gaulle into one of the earliest major battles of the conflict. In August 1914, the town became the site of one of the most tragic atrocities of the German invasion of Belgium during the First World War, when hundreds of civilians were executed in events that shocked Europe. The massacre carried out during the opening weeks of World War I left a profound scar on the local population and remains one of the darkest and most remembered chapters in Belgian wartime history. The interior of the Collegiate Church of Notre Dame reflects the Gothic reconstruction carried out after the collapse of the original Romanesque church in 1227, combining soaring stone arches, stained glass, and centuries of religious history beneath the cliffs of the valley. For centuries, this church served not only as a place of worship, but also as a symbol of stability and endurance in a region marked by wars and destruction. Just outside the historic center lies the Abbey of Leffe, where the famous Leffe beer tradition began nearly 9 centuries ago. The imposing citadel dominating the valley reflects centuries of military history, having been destroyed, rebuilt, and reinforced multiple times as European powers fought to control this important passage through the Meuse region. Inside the citadel, visitors can explore centuries of military history through underground tunnels, defensive positions, weapons collections, and exhibitions dedicated to the wars that shaped the Meuse Valley. Few places in Belgium combine military history, medieval architecture, religious heritage, and dramatic natural geography as powerfully as this fortified settlement along the Meuse River. The interior of the fortress reveals the harsh reality of military life, with narrow stone corridors, fortified chambers, and defensive structures designed to resist sieges and artillery attacks. Within the walls of the citadel, historical exhibits retrace the strategic importance of the fortress from the medieval period to the major conflicts of the modern era. Inside the fortress, the combination of military architecture, historical artifacts, and panoramic viewpoints offers a detailed insight into centuries of regional warfare and defense. Among the exhibits are historical firearms and military equipment used during the major conflicts that affected the Meuse region, including the First and Second World Wars. From the top of the citadel, the panoramic view reveals the full geography of the Meuse Valley, showing how the river, cliffs, and narrow urban layout shape the strategic importance of the town throughout history. The panoramic terrace provides a sweeping view over the Meuse River, the Church of Notre Dame, and the historic streets that developed beneath the protection of the citadel. Displayed throughout the galleries are authentic military garments, field gear, and personal items that reveal the everyday conditions faced by troops across different historical periods. The underground passages carved into the fortress illustrate how soldiers once moved safely through the stronghold during attacks and bombardments. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour through one of Belgium's most historic towns. Stay tuned for more journeys, new destinations, and future walking tours.